Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. This is Westwood, a well-established residential neighborhood in Winnipeg, Manitoba. Westwood is located in the St. James Assiniboia area on the city's west side. It sits just south of Portage Avenue and stretches down toward the Assiniboine River, giving the area both suburban streets and natural green space. Westwood developed mainly during the post-war years, with most homes built from the 1950s through the 1970s. As Winnipeg expanded westward, this area became attractive to families looking for newer homes, larger lots, and quieter streets compared to the inner city. The neighborhood is bordered by golf courses on both sides, with St. Charles Country Club to the east and Glendale Golf and Country Club to the west. These open spaces help define Westwood's layout and add to its calm residential feel. Homes in Westwood include bungalows, split-level houses, two-story homes, and some townhouses and condominiums. Streets are lined with mature trees, and many properties back onto parks, greenways, or the Assiniboine River corridor. The river provides walking paths, wildlife viewing, and scenic views that change with the seasons. Westwood was designed with families in mind. Schools such as Westwood Collegiate and several elementary schools are spread throughout the neighborhood, along with playgrounds, sports fields, and community spaces. The Westwood Library has long served as a local gathering place and educational resource. Portage Avenue runs along the north edge of the neighborhood and offers easy access to shopping, restaurants, and services. Major bus routes make commuting into downtown Winnipeg straightforward, while nearby roads connect quickly to Polo Park and Winnipeg's airport. Westwood has a population of roughly 7,000 residents. Over the years, the neighborhood has aged alongside its original homeowners, while still attracting new families looking for established homes in a stable community. Today, Westwood is known for its quiet streets, mature landscaping, and strong sense of local pride. It remains a desirable area for people who want suburban living, access to green space, and convenient connections to the rest of Winnipeg. Thanks for watching!